Are you planning a home renovation or an extensive cleanup and need the best residential dumpster rental in Mount Pleasant, Tennessee? Look no further than Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters DYD LLC. At Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters DYD LLC, we understand that home projects can generate a lot of waste. That's why we offer reliable and convenient dumpster rental services tailored to your needs. Whether it's a small garage clean-out or a significant renovation, we have the perfect dumpster size for your project. Choose from our range of options to fit your specific requirements. Our professional team ensures timely delivery and pickup so you can focus on your project without hassle. We pride ourselves on our prompt and efficient service. Using our dumpsters is easy. Simply fill it up, and we'll take care of the rest. It's the perfect solution for homeowners who want to manage waste efficiently. And the best part? Our services are also affordable, ensuring you get the best value for your money. Plus, our flexible scheduling gives you plenty of time to fill the dumpster at your own pace. Ready to get started? Visit our website at www.diydumpsterstn.com Dumpster Rental Mount Pleasant TN or call 615-290-2029 to learn more about our services and to book your dumpster rental today. Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters DYD LLC, your trusted partner for all your residential dumpster rental needs in Mount Pleasant, Tennessee. Clean, convenient, and hassle-free.